Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits, and I just wanted to give you a really quick preview into our Ultimate Photographer Welcome Guide, Pricing Guide booklet template here. So we've got 16 pages with 2 cover options, and it is gorgeous, drag and drop, super easy to edit. Let me show you what's inside. So we have all of our pages in this one Photoshop template organized into folders, which is really great because a lot of templates have separate Photoshop files for every single page, and it's just a hassle to go around and edit different things. So this is really easy. All you have to do is select the folder you want to edit. So let's say I wanted to edit this client testimonial. I would hit this drop down, and then I have all of my layers. Everything inside this template is completely customizable. So if you want to change the background, it's really as simple as just grabbing the color of your choice. And then we can edit our text here. Just go over here and let's edit. Let's say this was Ryan's testimonial, and we had our client testimonial, so we'd put our text right in here. Here's my text. Look at that. Super easy. You can see everything is totally changeable. You want to change the color of this line right in here. Easy. All we do is double click. Wrong rectangle right there. Here's the underline. We'll change the color of that to orange because who doesn't like orange? You can see how quick and easy it is. Now if you want to add an image, it's as simple as just double clicking wherever we have image placeholders. So this template is going to come just with no images in it. You have to add your own images, but all you do, grab some shots, drag them in there, resize. We'll save that. And you'll see that that has now been updated into our guidebook. It's so simple. Now, the best part about this is we have dummy text, not just, blank lorem ipsum random nonsense text, but actual text that's been written out for you, so you don't have to guess about what to say in this template. You can simply customize it to your liking, use it as inspiration so that you know kind of roughly what you need to say to really give the client the info that they need. So this is the guide. I'm just going to flip through all of the pages so you can see kind of what it looks like when it's finished here. And from start to finish, if you have your images ready to go, it can be done in as quick as 15 minutes if you're familiar in Photoshop. If you're not, well, we have a free step-by-step tutorial that comes with and shows you exactly how to create this, how to export it to a PDF document. Everything you need is included. You can do the whole thing in under an hour, and it makes such a big difference with just wowing your clients. So I hope this was helpful for you. I'm going to sign off and wish you luck. If you have questions, feel free to contact us. Bye.